Welcome, third graders, to our week 23 video of our number talk series. This week we're focused on the organic number line and placing fractions and or integers on the organic number line. I actually pulled two examples from your Learning App from this week to help guide you. So let's look at the first one. So we have a number line that goes 0 to 1. And we're looking to place the number 1/4, 3/8, 3/4, 7/8, or 1/2. What I like to do is find a landmark number. So we say, well, I know where 1/2 goes. 1/2 goes right in the middle of 0 and 1. Then I can think about, well, 1/4 goes halfway between 0 and 1/2. 3/4 goes halfway between. And then we have 3/8. And then we have 7/8. Now, let's say that we did not see it this way. Well, let's think about it as a whole unit bar. We have a whole value, right, that's 1 long. Well, we can break it in half. That's where our 1/2 goes. Then we also can break it up into fourths. If we think about it, that's our 1/4. Then we also can break this up into eighths. Okay, so obviously my 7/8 was a little off. So again, do what you feel best, but if you realize, like, wait a second, I wouldn't have done it the way you first did, Mr. Harris. Well, think of it as a large unit bar. We'll look at our other one a little bit different. We'll start with the unit bar. So our next one, we have a situation where we have the numbers 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, and 1/6 we're looking for. So let's go ahead and look at this as a full unit bar and say, okay, 0 to 1. Well, now we're breaking this up into, well, we have the 1/2 in the middle, but we're also breaking this up into thirds. So let's break this up into thirds. So we could find the 1/3, 2/3. And we think about, well, if we break this up into, there's our 1/2. And then because the 1/2, that naturally broke our bars into, right, there's where the 1/2 went, so then we broke this up and this up to keep our unit bars equal. And that actually, by doing that, gave us our 1/6. So then we have 1/6, 1/3, 1/2, and 2/3 of the numbers we're looking for. Again, let the unit bar, though, kind of guide you if you're struggling a little bit. Hopefully this gave you some guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And have a great week, guys. Thanks.